Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm doing I'm doing the Excalibur Bay unboxing. Xcalius Hasbro unboxing, but the other one is gonna be kept in box. This one will be kept in box because I already have this bay, and I got this set because I wanted this one. Normal color, but yeah. So Xcalius. So yeah, let me put this on the thing. Oh my, really bad. And yeah, let's go. This is gonna be a short little video. So yeah, there's the Excalibur. And we will get a QR code. Yes. This is the QR code for the original. Oh god, the slips are freaking tight as hell. We're getting back to the Hasbro, and pretty when Hasbro was really good. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.